Hello, welcome to another session on surface areas and volumes. We'll be taking here. We've already actually finished taking discussing surface area, and we are now into discussion volumes. Under that, I'll be discussing volume of right circular cone that is given by 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let's see how this formula can be applied. I'll take a first the easy one, simple one. This is given as the volume of the cone is 18480 cubic centimeter. The height is given. If the height of the cone is given as 40 centimeter, find the radius of its base. V is given as 18480. That means 1 by 3 pi r square h is given as 18480. I'll substitute whatever is informed. That will be r is supposed to be calculated, so let it be as r square, and the height is given as 40 centimeter, and this is equal to 18480. So r square will be 18480 into 3 into 7 by 40 into 22. Let me just calculate this. This is getting cancelled now. 1848, if it is divisible by 11, because it is 11, then just 11 2, and this is coming to be 1 6, and then 6 and 8 11 8, and now 168 is divided by 2, giving 84, and 4 is cancelling it as 41. So 41 into 3 into 7 will give us did I make some mistake? Because I'm getting a number which doesn't have a square root. It's not a square number. Just let me write down it again. It's quite a bit clumsy there. 7, everything got overlapped, and this divided by 11, 1, this is cancelled first, 168, this is cancelled by 11, gives you 2. 168 divided by 2 is 84. 84 divided by 4 is 21. So it is 21 into 21, so r becomes 21 centimeters. So we saw it is not that difficult. Let's move on to another question. Let me write down the question first. Cone of height 24 centimeter has a curved area 550 square centimeter. Find its volume. curved surface area of a cone is given by pi RL. So pi RL is given as 550. We need to, because the formula of our volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So though we have the height, we need to calculate r. So we are using this information to calculate r. Now we don't have L as well. L can be calculated as h square plus r square root over. Again, we don't have the r. So let it be r and h square, that is 24. 24 square is 576, sorry, r square. So L should be left as that expression. So pi r and L. This is 550. So we better square both the sides. That will help us, I guess. Or let me just move the 22 by 7 to the other side. In that case it will be easier. So it becomes 550 into 7 by 22. Now this is getting cancelled. It is 50. This is 2, this is 25, right? So it is 25 into 7, that's giving 175. So we are left with this equals 175. We need to find square of both the sides, otherwise our square root will not get removed. So squaring both the sides, now if I do this, I'm getting r square into 576 plus r square, and this side is 175 into 175 would give us 30625. So we are getting 576 r square plus r to the power 4 is equal to 30625. Now let us rearrange. So it is r4 plus 576 r square minus 30625 is equal to 0. So we have to now factorize and solve this out. So it is 30625 I will write as this plus, now this can be opened up as let me just do some work with this thinking of 30625, right? I'm getting it is as 625 r square minus 49 is kind of giving me 576, and even multiplied will give you 30625. This is a simple factorization of middle term splitting. If I take r square common, I'll be left with r square plus 625. Herein I can take 49 square, that will also leave me with r square plus 625, thereby getting the two factors r square minus 49, and this side it is r square plus 625. So 1 r square is 49, wherein we are getting r as 7. The other one is actually a negative value, which we won't take, r square plus 1. This we won't take because that's giving us a negative value. So if r is 7, let me now substitute it in the formula for finding out the volume. So it is 1 by 3 pi r square, h was 24. So it is 22 into 8 into 7, that's giving us 1 2 3 2 cubic centimeter. Hope you followed this. Let's move on to another question. I'll write a question here. Oh, says a conical tent is to accommodate 11 persons. Each person must have 4 square meter of the space. On the ground and 20 cubic meter of air to breathe. Find the height of the cone. We have always been taking up radius as r and height as h, so we'll continue doing so. Now the conical tent is to accommodate 11 persons. So, and what will be the area of the base? The area, wait, just draw it. The area of the base will be pi r square. Now it has each person must have 4 square centimeter of space. Then there it says 11 persons can be accommodated. So the total, the base of the tent will be 11 into 4, that is 44 square meter. That's the catch of this question actually. You need to find out pi r square, thereby finding out r from it maybe. We wouldn't, okay, this is one information we derive from the question. The second is 20 cubic meter of air to breathe. That means the volume of air for 11 person, that's the volume will be 20, sorry. So the 1 by 3 pi r square, that's the formula for calculating volume. 11 person each, they having need 20 cubic meter of air, so it is again 11 into 20. So 1 by 3 pi r square h is given by 220, and this will be in cubic meters. We have to use both this information to find the height. Let us find 22 by 7 into r square is given as 44. So r can be calculated here as 44 into 7 divided by, I'll need the space, this is r square, I'm sorry, this is 2, r square is given by 14. I can substitute this 14 here to find h, so it is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7, r square can be written as 14, and h is supposed to be calculated. We are actually taking the value of r square from the first equation and substituting it in the second one. This is giving us 2, so it is h will be 220 into 3 by 22 into 2. This is giving us 10, this will give us 5, and thereby making the height to be 15 meters. We will take more questions in the next few sessions. Thank you.